Hello, grade 8 students. I'm Mr. RJ Gumban and welcome to this week's video lesson. I'm sure that you're all excited to learn amazing things in the fourth quarter of our Math 8 subject. But before we start, let me first give you a quick recap of our video lesson guidelines so that you'll definitely learn new concepts while having fun. Hello once again to my awesome 8th graders. This is going to be an amazing lesson, as long as everyone follows these few simple rules. But wait, don't forget about these COVID-19 safety reminders. Let's test your speed and accuracy by having a quick drill first. So, prepare your paper and your pen and get ready to answer. All you have to do is to simply find the product of the following items. I'll give you 15 seconds to answer. Ready? Start! Did you get all 5 items correct? We have 6, 36, 8, 24, and 24. Congratulations! Now that I know that you're fast and accurate, let's have a review and counting the number of occurrences of an outcome given the following images. Now, what I will do is I will be flashing the images in the screen and you have 5 seconds to think of an answer. Let's start. If you got a 3 out of 3 in our review, that means that you definitely know how to get the total number of outcomes in an experiment. At this point, let's have a guessing game. Do you know what item this is? That's right. It's a car's license plate number. We have a problem on the screen. In the Philippines, a vehicle's license plate number consists of 3 letters and 4 numbers, and each car must have a unique license plate number. Now, given the growing number of car owners, do you believe it is enough that a car's license plate number only consists of 3 letters and 4 numbers? And how many different 7-character license plates do you believe are possible? I know that looking for the total number of license plate numbers in the Philippines can be a very challenging task. But don't worry, because we are going to solve that problem later. In this video lesson, we will look at the simplest and quickest way to count the number of outcomes in an experiment. We are going to have 3 objectives. You need to learn how to, number 1, state the fundamental counting principle. Second, count the number of occurrences of an outcome using the fundamental counting principle. And lastly, appreciate its significance by citing examples from real-life situations where it can be applied. So later, mangita ta mga real-life examples kung sa diin pwede niyo magamit ang fundamental counting principle. Now, let's have our activity. For instructions, look, read, answer, and post. Look for a pair, read the word problem, answer the following guide questions together with your pair in 5 minutes, and post your answers in the Google form. So, please check the description box below to see the Google form links. Here's our word problem. Your mother took you shopping for new clothes at a department store. You bought 4 different t-shirts and 3 different pairs of pants. How many outfit combinations do you think you'll be able to pull off? And for our guide questions, what are the 2 events in the word problem? How many options are there in event number 1? What about in event number 2? What is the product of your answers in question number 2 and number 3? Lastly, how many outfit combinations do you think you'll be able to pull off? Please post your answers in the Google form. You can find the link in the description box below. Wait! Before you start answering, please take note that you can rewind this video so you can reread the word problem and the guide questions. After rereading, you can pause this video and go to the description box below to click on the Google form link so you can start answering. After submitting your answers, balik lang sa video and press play. Are the instructions clear? Now, let's analyze the word problem. What was the experiment in the word problem? The answer is choosing outfit combinations. Ang goal was to find out kung pila ka outfits ang pwede mo mahimo. Second question, how many events are involved in the experiment? Only 2. Magpili lang sang t-shirt and magpili sang pants. Third question, how did you find the total number of options in each event? Very simple. Isipon lang kung pila ka bilog ang choices sa t-shirt and kung pila ka bilog ang choices sa pants. And last question, what operation did you use to answer the word problem? The answer is multiplication because sa guide questions, we were asked to find the product or ang resulting answer kung mag-multiply kita. May 4 ka t-shirts, may 3 ka pants. Simply multiply 4 times 3 and the answer is 12. You can make 12 different outfit combinations from 4 kinds of t-shirts and 3 kinds of pants. Were your answers in the Google form correct? Let's summarize everything. Sa inyo lang nga own words, ano ang fundamental counting principle? Next question. How do we count the number of occurrences of an outcome using the fundamental counting principle? That's correct. We simply multiply the number of outcomes in each event. Now, let's apply the fundamental counting principle in real-life situations. I will be flashing the word problems and its corresponding solutions. Now, let's go back to our guessing game question, and here's the word problem and the corresponding solutions. Why 26? That's correct, because there are 26 letters in the English alphabet, and there are 3 letters in the license plate number. So that's 26 times 26 times 26. And why choosing 4 numbers is 10 times 10 times 10 times 10? Because there are 10 numbers from 0 to 9, and we need 4 numbers in the license plate number. So, we simply need to multiply all of the possible options in the 2 events. So that's 26 times 26 times 26 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. And the total product is 175,760,000. Wow, that's a lot of 7-character license plate numbers. Do you think that number of license plates is enough for the number of cars in the Philippines? Yes, definitely it is. Fun fact, as of December 2019, there is only 4.7 million vehicles in the Philippines. That means we can still have 170 million cars more. I'm sure that you're now able to solve for the total number of outcomes of experiments using the fundamental counting principle. In this part, here are 5 evaluation questions that you need to answer. Again, please go to the description box below and click on the Google Form link so you can answer the evaluation problems. You also need to answer your homework. So again, please go to the description box below and click on the Google Form link for you to be able to answer your homework. That's it for this week's video lesson. I hope that you're now able to master using fundamental counting principle to find the total number of outcomes in an experiment. Now, thank you very much, graded students. See you in next week's video lesson. Bye!